This is the Bakeey A4. It's a full Android 7.1.1 smartwatch with all the capabilities we've seen in these watches, including the ambient time display when the watch is off and press of the lower button to activate the camera. You've got your notifications in here. You've got a complete, robust app drawer with all the stock apps and a fitness section that includes GPS integration with your outdoor running and walking activities. You can get into your step count on a daily basis, summarized, and today's information shown right here. 16 gigabytes of storage to load up apps and music, and 1 gigabyte of RAM. It's a interesting waterproof, they say, watch with a TPU band. It's the Bakeey A4. Check it out.